A few of them you maybe get a 5 times return or a 10 times return. And then every now and then you get a really stonker, and that's what really makes the difference. So it kind of, you just got to ride the wave a little bit, but it's great fun. How many of you know about the government tax breaks for this kind of investing? So for those of you who don't, we've been incredibly lucky here in the UK because for over 25 years, our government has been backing this kind of investment. So if you back a very early stage business, for every £1 you put in a small business, you will get 50% back from the government in the tax break. You'll get it in your tax return. So when you put your return in, if it's a business that takes less than 150,000 in total from the investors, or however much money you take, so you put £10,000 in an early stage business that has less than 25 employees, then and has only been running for 2 years, so that's very early, very young, then you will get 50% of that back. You will get £5,000 back immediately in your tax return from the government. If the business goes pear-shaped, in other words, it doesn't succeed, you will get loss relief, and that will be made up to your normal tax level. So if you're a 45% taxpayer, you will get loss relief on the back of that. You also get inheritance tax deferral, and you get capital gains tax, 50% of any gain that you've made. So if you invest in a property that you have made a gain on and put some of that money into the business, 50% of that capital gain will also be wiped out. So it's very attractive. If the business is a little bit more developed and is looking for more than £150,000, then you get 30% tax relief and all the other benefits. So it's still incredibly worthwhile, and that's been a massive incentive for us. The other thing is that the government has put a number of co-investment funds. So so for every £1 you back the business with, there are co-investment funds that will bring another 50% alongside that investment. That's what that gives is extra firepower to your investment. It doesn't give you relief, but it gives you extra firepower. So you can see this is a very attractive space if you want that kind of roller coaster ride, which is much more fun in my view. So this is the kind of multiples that you might expect to see. So you can see that, you'll get an awful lot of not very exciting stuff here as well. But what you will get, if you're patient and you'll stick with it, you'll get to see some very, very interesting outcomes. And I would say, I have to warn you that this will be for over about 8 to 10 years before you get that really big return. Every now and then you can be really lucky. I know people who invested in DeepMind. I don't know whether you know that company. It was bought by Google after only 2 years. So, that's random. It can happen. It can be great. But very often you have to wait. You've got to be patient. These are some of the kinds of sectors that have been doing especially well recently. So life sciences, and when I say life sciences, that includes everything from cures for diabetes, cancer, diagnostics, therapeutics, lots of things that you might want to back. I generally back things like that because I like to feel I'm doing a bit of good with my money. I'm really helping to solve some of the social problems as well. But you'll also find that things like automation, so in fact people are backing all kinds of things around electronics and IT, they've been doing pretty well. And also, there are huge numbers of investments have been made in everything from games to food to drink. Anything that you think is interesting is pretty much open for your investment. So what do investors look for? Because if you're a small business looking for investment or you're an investor yourself, it's really worth thinking, what are your considerations? So these are really the main things. The business is small, so what you're really looking to know about is the team. Have they got the passion, the skills, the ambition and the knowledge to really build a great business? So you spend a lot of time talking to them. You ask them a lot, you check them out. You check them out on Facebook, LinkedIn, and you get to know if they're going to be able to build a great business. Will they really build a strong business? And that's the main thing you have to go on, because this business is pretty early. They won't have that many sales. They won't have so much for you to look at. The second thing that you really want to know is that business may be small now, but will that business really scale? Is it really going to grow? Is it going to expand around the UK, internationally? Is it going to open lots of other sources of opportunity for you? And that's really what you're looking for. So you judge the scalability. You look strongly at the finances. You have a look and see if you think the business model is really going to make money and really bring you a decent return. And that's something, you really do want to focus on. And then thirdly, the value proposition. How different is it to anything else you might have seen out there? Is it a Me Too business that's really just going to have too much competition to really make an impact in the market? Or is it really going to be able to stand out from the crowd, have a really strong competitive position, got some great IP, something that really differentiates it? So those are the three big things you're going to look for when you're making that decision. So I think that my final recommendations to you are, if this is interesting to you, it's really good not to do it on your own. Really, really good to do it with another group. Find other players. And at UKBAA, we have over 70 groups around the country that are investing. So we have a strong directory there, and you can search it by the kind of sector or stage or kind of money. And if you're in here today and you're a small business looking for angel investing, then again, have a look at that directory and see the interesting groups. We also have a massive schedule of events. Every week there are some great pitching events happening here in London, around the country. That's a great way to find good deals and to meet other angels. So do have a look on our website for those. And if you really want to understand more about this, we have an online education program called The Effective Angel Investor. And I would recommend you check that out. It's 6 online modules, at the end of which you get a certificate. And it gives you everything you might want to know, from really understanding the whole process, from what to look for, how to do a deal, how to use the tax breaks, the legal processes, and then what to do to really build and grow a great business. So we've had about 22 great angels, investors, all giving their experience and expertise into that. So it's well worth having a look at that if you'd like to know more about this area. And then finally, that is our website. It's a great source of information about angel investing, whether you're an entrepreneur or an investor, and find out about what we're doing. We run lots of events and lots of opportunities. So really great to meet you. I hope you enjoy the rest of your afternoon and hope to see you again. Thank you.